Hi, in this video we are going to see how to deploy a Streamlit application in Heroku free cloud service. For this I'm going to use the Streamlit application which I have already created for my previous Streamlit tutorial video. If you want to see that how to develop that app, click on the above link to watch it. Let's get started. So to deploy the Streamlit application, I'm going to use this newly created GitHub repository. So to deploy this particular application, we need this library requirements. To find what version of library that we are using, we need to find it using pip show and the Streamlit. So we come to know that we have used 0.79.0 version of Streamlit. So we need to create a requirement file with the library name and the version number like this. So we need to see what version of standard we have used. As you can see, we have used 1.2.3. So requirement file is the main file for the deployment. So you need to know what version of library that we have used and what library we have used. So in the GitHub repository, we have requirements.txt file and setup.sh file, setup file, which actually gets the port number to display, and the proc file. So this is a proc file. Basically it calls the setup.sh file to get the port number, and you can run the application using the user way, which is Streamlit run, and the name of the Python script. So here our name of the Python script would be Streamlit example.py. So we need to use Streamlit example3.py. So that's our script name. So we need these three files. Proc file, requirements.txt file, and setup.sh file to deploy this Python file in Heroku Cloud. You can see that in the GitHub it has been updated, these four files. And now we can just deploy this one by going to Heroku dashboard, create a new application, and in this we are going to Streamlit demo deploy. So I'm just going to select Europe. I'm going to create the app. Demo deploy. I'm just going to create the demo application. Here you can connect the GitHub repository. So my repository name is, so this is my repository, Streamlit demo deploy. So I'm going to connect. And we are going to choose the master branch. And we are just going to deploy the branch. So it is going to pick all the libraries that we have already specified in the requirements.txt, and it's going to install all the libraries that we have specified, and we'll create a link for us to access the Streamlit application. So it will take some time to deploy. It's actually compressing the file. It has been deployed to this link. So now you can actually, after the deploy, you will get your app was successfully deployed. You're just going to view that. So this is the app that we have created. Length and width. This is scatter plot using the plotly library, and then line shot using the plotly library, bubble scatter shot, and as well as core effect using plotly, and finally a heat map based on the day of week and the time of day. So this is how you need to deploy using Heroku free cloud service. I hope you have learned how to deploy a Streamlit application using Heroku free cloud service. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any comments, write it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.